Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Aryabhata. Aryabhata was a great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in 476 CE in ancient India. He wrote a famous book called Aryabhatiya, which had many mathematical ideas. Aryabhata introduced the concept of zero, which is very important in math. He explained how the earth moves around the sun. He also found out that the earth rotates on its axis, causing day and night. Aryabhatta made many discoveries in algebra, trigonometry, and arithmetic. He helped improve calendar calculations by studying planets and stars. His work was later used by scientists all over the world. Aryabhatta is remembered as one of the greatest minds in history. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.